Good day guys, today videos we're going to make a duck using lemon. Today we're gonna need 4 pieces of lemon, small and a big one. We have also 2 kinds of grape. We have the red and the green, carrot, bell pepper or capsicum. We get the red radish and the pineapple for our base. We have also knife and a cutter and the sticks. Let's go guys, let's do it. So I cut the pineapple in 2 and then I put it together to combine it. Then let's start with the lemon. Just cut both sides. See guys. Lalagyan natin siya ng butas doon para sa kanyang tuka. Yung pinaghiwaan natin sa dalawang gilid, yun ang ating gagawing tuka. So yun guys, almost done. Pagdidikitin nyo lang siya ng baliktad. So yun. So later insert natin siya dito sa may head. So let's start with the body. So we just cut both sides again. Yun. Then gagawa tayo ng parang pakpak. Para umangat yung pakpak niya guys, lalagyan natin siya ng konting palaman sa loob. Yan, see guys. Then hiwain natin yung ilalim, pinaka base. Yan, para siya tumayo. Then yung hiniwa natin, yun ang gagawin nating buntot. You see guys. Bubutasan natin doon. Doon natin i-insert yung buntot. Guys, tusukin natin ng toothpick para hindi siya matanggal. And guys, meron na tayong body ng duck. So insert natin yung ginawa natin tuka. Lagay natin konti. Insert and then put toothpick as well guys. And we have the red radish. We need 4 slices. Yan ang gagamitin natin para sa kanyang eyes. So yan guys. Then the red grapes for the eyes. You just put the toothpick on it. See guys how simple but very creative. Yan guys, gawa nating head. So let's put it there on the top. Kailangan pantay. So ayan, inulid ko. So let's put it together again. Ayan guys, meron na tayong sandak. Let's wait one more. So guys, bilisan na natin. It's just the same procedure with the first one. Ipakpak. Lagyan na ang palaman sa loob para bumuka. Nilagay ang buntot. Then yan. We'll start with the face again. Yan guys, binilisan natin dahil sobrang haba ng tutorial para hindi kayo ganong mainip yon. See? Lalagay uli natin yung kanyang eyes. Itong isa guys, nilagay natin siya ng parang corona. Ayan, nakita nyo sa may babaw ng head niya. Niwaan natin na parang corona. See guys? Then let's put it together again. Yun, diba? Simple lang, pero matutuwa ang ating mga bata. See how creative we are. Then for the carrots, we're going to make a coconut tree. Then the bell pepper, iwain lang natin siya. Let's split in two. Ayan guys, hello siya. Then ihiwain natin siya na parang dahon. Ito yung magiging dahon natin for our coconut tree. Guys, so tusukin na natin yung ating carrots. Lagay na natin doon. Just make sure lang na matibay siya. Then let's put the green grapes. Ito yung magsisilbing ating parang please guys, keep watching, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you guys.